Hey guys, welcome to Kitchen Porcupine. Today I'm gonna show you how to make apple galette. Preheat the oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. In a food processor, mix together the flour, sugar, salt, and cubed unsalted butter until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Add the cold water gradually, mixing just until the dough comes together. Do not overwork it. Shape into a disc, wrap and chill in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. In a small saucepan, combine sugar and water. Cook over medium heat without stirring until the syrup turns a deep amber color. Carefully add the heavy cream and milk. Add the unsalted butter and the salt and mix well. Set aside to cool slightly. It will thicken as it cools. Peel, core, and thinly slice the apples. This time I used Pink Lady, but you can use your favorite apples. Granny Smith and Honey Crisp are also great, as they are tart and keep the shape well. You can also mix different varieties. In a container, toss the apple slices with sugar, lemon zest, lemon juice, cinnamon, rum, and cornstarch until evenly coated. Set aside while you roll out the crust. Roll the chilled dough into a rough circle between two sheets of plastic wrap about 28 cm wide. Transfer to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper or seal pan. Arrange the apple filling in the center, leaving about 4 cm border around the edges. Drizzle about a quarter of salted caramel sauce. Fold the edges of the dough over the apples, pleating gently to form a rustic crust. Brush the crust with egg yolk and sprinkle with turbinado sugar for extra crunch. Place the small cubed unsalted butter on top of the apple filling. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes and cover it with a sheet of aluminum foil and bake for another 10 minutes or until the crust is golden brown and the apples are tender. Combine apricot jam with a splash of water and brush it lightly over the apples to give them a glossy finish. Drizzle with the salted caramel sauce before serving. I also recommend serving it with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. I hope you enjoy making this delicious galette and share it with someone you love. For the detailed recipe, check out my website at kitchenporcupine.com. Thank you for watching and see you guys again soon.